Hey everyone, it's me, Joystick. Today, I have dyed pink hair because it's kind of cool. Also, Halloween is coming up tomorrow, so we gotta be ready, which is exactly why I actually prepared a video of my Minecraft series a couple days ago, and I realized it's probably the best to upload it today because tomorrow's Halloween, and it's kind of creepy and Halloweeny episode. So I hope you guys enjoy, and thanks for the comment suggesting to dye this beautiful hair. It's Moving Joystick, where today you're presented with episode 4 of my beautiful survival series, which has been delayed a little bit, but it's back. Woo! As is my face, as you see right now. So, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to explore a little bit. I'm going to go around the house. And it's nighttime. I'm gonna just do something really quick. Okay, the mic is better now, and we can go out and explore. That's right, we need to clear this because we need to kill all these annoying silverfish in here. Ah, that one was actually, oh, I thought that was like a creeper or something. That one actually got me pretty well, but we need to really knock these guys out. Otherwise, these guys are gonna annoy us. And they don't even look good. In my house as well. These guys have got knockback, which is kind of crazy. So can I kill them with a pickaxe? I can kill them with a pickaxe. That's quite handy. But they don't seem to take fall damage. There we go. Oh, you can break it with your aqua sword. That's pretty cool. Yeah, no, help. I got it before they broke out. There. Spiders! Help! I just wanted to clear this out. You think I should wait for day? I don't know. I'm just gonna clear this. Oh, come on. Is this spider attacking me? Is this spider attacking me? It was. No longer. Let's clear these all out. Jeez, this is crazy. I'm pretty sure this mine's faster than my pickaxe. Look, there. Remember that? And then there. That is faster than my pickaxe. Not anymore. That's weird. Why isn't it working? Oh, this is just stone. Oh, but this is a silverfish. How was I supposed to know? Get out of my world. That was a really, really weird mechanical sound. Okay, now I'm gonna go in and actually transform into a baby ghast first and kill the spider is our main priority, and then we can transform. I changed, but now the thing was attacking me. Okay, I'm good. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go inside of this place and we can fly. Fly, my pretties, fly. He won't fly. Oh, creeper, no. Okay, that was really close. I need to get in here. For some reason, I won't fly. It's kind of odd. Okay, I can't fly anymore. This is annoying. Well then, I'm a baby ghast anyway, why not? And here is some gunpowder. Food. It looks like no mobs spawned in, which is really good because that means, I just heard a really nasty villager. I can't fly because of this. Is he behind here? That would be bad. I think we're okay. One there. I think that's okay. And then one there because I don't have that many torches. So that's been done. I think, nope, I'm going the wrong way. Okay, let's go this way. I'm gonna put some torches down as we pass by here. I think this is the Enderman room last time, or did I not go in here? Some villager has had a really, really bad day. And I'd like to know who it is. And what is this another staircase? Ooh, it is another staircase, cool. I don't think I've ever been up here. Chicken. Or is it a duck? No, that is a chicken. What am I saying? What am I? That's a chicken. How beautiful is this? This is the best Minecraft build I've ever seen. Chicken. Yeah, chicken. That's the cool stuff. But there haven't been any abnormal mobs whatsoever so far, which is nice. So, what is going on? Vindicator? Get out! Oh my goodness! Help! Somebody help! What is going on? Okay, kill it! Please! No! Don't do this! No! Are they gone? Oh, are you kidding me? Come on. We can just get out. Well, let me get out. That's unacceptable. Unacceptable. Absolutely unacceptable. Gee. Come on. I don't have any more torches. I might as well explore. He's flying! Might as well knock him out. Come on, get out of here. Come here. Might as well do that because still coming. No longer flying, but I've got to run. Get home, quick. Save the gas. Go. Quick. Save the gas. Go. Okay. What just happened? This has been very eventful. You're gonna get out of here. Get your meat and stuff. What was that thing? Maybe I was just imagining there was a clown, but I could have sworn it was coming at me. Wait a minute. Yeah, we should definitely end the video here. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm a baby guest. It's not what I was expecting. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below if you want to see more. Whoop!